I passed the Salesforce AI Associate Certification exam in 18 minutes, and I bet you can too. It's an easy exam, but was it worth it? Stick with me as I walk through the 4 things you need to know about the Salesforce AI Associate Certification so that you know if this credential is worthwhile. I spent 26 hours working through the AI Associate Certification prep trail mix on Trailhead so that you don't have to. This was 37 modules, 2 projects, and 11 articles. If you have time to kill and want to take the plunge for it, go ahead. But here are 4 things I think you should know. 1. The AI Associate Certification exam is easy. I passed it in 18 minutes. At the end of the day, I don't think I really needed to spend those 26 hours in Trailhead. You may be able to pass the exam without any study at all, but I'm going to post another video summarizing what I think you need to know from those 37 modules for this certification, and a video that is much less than 26 hours. So subscribe right now, give the video a thumbs up if you want to see that video and others like it. Number 2, this is a new certification based on mostly older content. If you are hoping that preparing for this certification will catch you up on Salesforce's newest AI tools, you are mistaken. There's very little of that. Instead, you need to know about how data quality affects AI and about how AI can produce unethical results if you are not careful. Number 3, there are only 40 questions on this exam. I'm used to answering 65 questions in order to get a new certification, so this went quick. That's nice, but if you get any question wrong, that has a bigger effect since you have less questions making up the exam. With that in mind, watch my next video, which I'll link to below in the details, so that you get a quick crash course before you take the exam. Number 4, is this credential worth it? That depends. If you are new to Salesforce and are just attempting to stack up certifications on your resume, no, because I don't think that stacking up credentials is worthwhile if you don't have the real experience to back it up. If you have been in the Salesforce ecosystem for some time, then yes, it may be worthwhile, but not for the sake of having another certification or for learning more about Salesforce's AI offerings. Rather, if you are interested in how to best leverage AI in the future, I think it is worth going through the trail mix or watching my crash course for this credential to have a solid foundation for where Salesforce is headed. Let me know in the comments if you plan to get the certification. Please subscribe and like the video to help my videos perform better in the algorithm. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you again next time.